But let's give this food a little looking at. And we're going to try their fiery fish and chips. So let's have a little go with a fork. I'm going to break up one of these lumps in here. It's very dry, but that's probably the nature of the cooking. Yeah, it's not so fiery, but it is tasty. That's for sure. Don't have to worry about it when it says fiery. Not in this particular case. Whether that's the usual, I don't know. But no doubt you don't know what's in this pizza box. So that's what we've got. They're jumbo fish and chips. And I mean, that's a lot of chips. Let's just move it out of the way and get a look at this fish. The batter's looking good from a distance. Oh, nice and crispy. Yeah, that looks really good. So first thing I'll do is, let's cut some of this open. I'll go straight down the middle. We'll go straight into it. That's a big piece of fish, that is. And it's delicious. We'll move this batter out the way and we look underneath it. Look at that. And that's just one half of this jumbo fish.
From there, though. From there. We want fish and chips now.
What you say about the place? I have no idea what it's like at other franchises. I'm sure it's hit and miss, like every franchise. Unless businesses keep on top of their franchisees, making sure they keep to the standard that they originally set, the business will go under. It's just the way it goes. People get not greedy. They want to be successful, so they create a franchise. They want their shops to be all over the place, like McDonald's. They're franchises, like Burger King, Pizza Hut. You know, they want them to be everywhere, and they've got to take a chance. If that's what they want. Let's have a look at these mushy peas. Well, they're particularly green, very green, unusually green. And they're sweet. So there's definitely something going on with the mushy peas, but I just couldn't say what. But they are nice. And let's have a little look at this curry. The curry's got plenty going on. It's spicy, not too spicy, and a little fruity. But no, that's quite pleasing. Let's get stuck into these chips. They all look good. So we're going to go back to the computer, look at some reviews as usual, worse, so somewhere in between, 5-star, then mine. We'll see you there. So as you can see by that, the food was very tasty, the portion size was large, but where it fell down, in my view, was the hygiene rating was a 3. That 3 is rated satisfactory. But satisfactory to me isn't good enough. Not for a chippy, not for food and people's health. Whether it could be paperwork, whether it could be something else, whether, you know, they've missed a few things or they've put a few things on different shelves with different things, I don't know. The fact remains, it's satisfactory. And when dealing with food, it's got to be top notch. Nothing less than a 4 should do. Ideally, a 5, nothing less than a 5. If you're watching this, Mother Hubbards, get that sorted, because it's going to hit a lot of customers. What you're going to look at is you're serving other people. You're serving the public food. There's children, adults, old people, and their lives are on the line when you give them food. And we're talking fish. So anyway, let's have a look at the reviews. 1 star. Came in and ordered, was waiting for the food as I was taken out to be told to go and sit down rudely. Got chicken nuggets for my son, and when we opened the box, there was hairs in the food. The chips were very plain and dry, no salt and vinegar, like asked. 3 star. Decent for what it was, but curry sauce had 0 spice. Chips dried up very quickly, and the tea came out of a coffee machine, meaning it wasn't brewed to the right temperature. £8.45 for chips, sausage, curry sauce, tea and a bottle of water isn't bad value. Plus the sausage was extremely nice. 5 star. It's been quite a while since I had fish and chips as tasty as these. These guys have just taken it to the next level. The staff are so friendly and polite. The restaurant is kept clean and tidy every few minutes. Awesome job, guys. Mine, 3-star. Upon first glance, Mother Hubbard's in Salford is notably spacious. Upon entry, guests are presented with ample dining options, with plenty of seating available. The shop maintains a tidy and well-designed appearance. The staff are courteous and helpful, with the server on the day being exceptionally cheerful and accommodating. The fiery fish is a treat, featuring large, unbattered, spicy seasoned fish pieces. These are served with chips, though it seems likely that a salad substitute would be accommodated upon request. The Super Jumbo fish stands out for its size and flavour, although its presentation could be improved as the fish was buried under the chips. While the chips were somewhat bland, the dish was overall flavourful and generous in portion size. However, a food hygiene rating of just 3 is concerning, especially given the iconic status of Mother Hubbard's. Should you check your hygiene ratings before you go to a chippy? I don't think anybody does, do they? You only seem to see the 4s and the 5s on the walls, or the 5s even. But yeah, see you on the next one.